Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Zoho Project for hospitality management. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started right away. First, you'll want to set up your Zoho Project account. You simply need to sign up on the Zoho website, and once you're in, you'll create a new project specific for your hospitality business. This is the foundation of your work, and it is here where you'll specify all your project details. The reason we do this is to ensure that all your tasks and activities are well organized and easily trackable. Now that you've set up your project, the next step is inviting your team members. You can do this by clicking on the Add Users button and adding their email addresses. This helps us because it ensures that everyone who needs to be involved in the project has access and can contribute effectively. Once your team is on board, it's time to create tasks. In the Task tab, you can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set deadlines. It's important to be as specific as possible here, and here's why. Specificity allows for better tracking and management of tasks, making sure nothing slips through the cracks in your hospitality project. Next up, we're going to talk about reporting. Zoho Project offers a variety of reporting tools that help you monitor your project's progress. From the Reports tab, you can generate different reports like task reports, timesheet reports, etc. The reason we do this is to help us understand how well the project is progressing and identify any areas that may need improvement. The last key step is utilizing the Document tab. This is where all your project-related files are stored. You can upload files here, and your team members can access them easily. This is crucial because it ensures that all pertinent information is readily available to all team members, promoting effective and efficient communication. And there you have it, a quick rundown of how to use Zoho Project for hospitality management. It's a fantastic tool for keeping your projects organized, your team on track, and your business running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.